Hello everyone watching. I want to tell you the story of how I defeated FRP on Samsung. Imagine this, you turn on your phone, and it asks you to verify a Google account. You can't do anything. You start looking for a way to bypass it without a computer. I know that feeling. Not long ago, I was trapped in the exact same situation. I had to roll up my sleeves and figure it out myself. I tried several methods, but eventually I found one that actually worked. I bypassed FRP, and now I'm sharing this method with you. If you have any questions, the comments are open. I understand that not everyone is familiar with technical details, so my method is designed for ordinary people without any special skills. Yes, it's frustrating that your phone is running Android 16. On older versions, people could use tricks with TalkBack or Google Keyboard. On Android 16, those methods no longer work. You can immediately close videos that still recommend them. The main problem is Google's protection system, which blocks apps that are not installed from the Play Store. This makes all the old manual methods useless. But I found another solution with the help of DeepSeek, a free Chinese AI. Why DeepSeek? Because ChatGPT and many other AIs are not allowed to help with FRP. I wrote to DeepSeek, how can I bypass FRP? My Samsung model is this one. It suggested several methods. I chose the one that seemed the easiest to understand and asked for step-by-step instructions. DeepSeek explained everything in detail. I followed the instructions carefully. Whenever something went wrong, I sent a photo of the screen to DeepSeek, and it gave me a solution. I could have recorded a video tutorial, but the problem is that my method could become outdated within a month. Samsung quickly patches security loopholes. But DeepSeek will always know the newest method. And one more thing, I even fixed an iPhone with the help of DeepSeek after a repair service told me to throw it away. Thanks for watching, and I'm always ready to help.